Hi, what is table.combine? Well, basically, it takes several tables and combine it into a single table. Okay, so let's look at the example. So by using this code, right, which you can find here as well, you can find in the Microsoft table.combine right here, and using this, you can generate 3 different tables. Now this is one. This is just basically using this code here, customer ID 1, name, comma, customer ID 4, and curly bracket. That's created a table. Just from records, you can create a table. And the next one is customer, so on, right? So you can see that this is correspond to this, and then comma, and these will create as a list. See, that's a list. So this is the completed the step source. So once we have the source step, we can insert a new step by clicking on this button here to insert a new step. Okay, so once you have insert a new step, right, we can write in table.combine. Combine what? Combine whatever it shows on the source step. And this is what you get. And this is table.combine. And thanks for watching.